Today, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Calendar background color on your computer, step by step, in just a few seconds. This is a simple, but really useful customization if you want your calendar to look cleaner, easier to read, or just more organized for your workflow. You can change the overall appearance of Google Calendar, and you can also change the color of individual calendars so everything is easier to identify at a glance. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Google tips and tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. You can do this by going to calendar.google.com and signing in with your Google account, if you are not already signed in. Once the calendar opens, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the settings icon, which looks like a gear or a cogwheel. Click that settings icon, and then click Settings from the menu that appears. This will open the full Google Calendar settings page, where you can control a lot of different options for your calendar experience. Now on the left side of the settings page, look under the General section. This is where Google keeps the appearance options. Click Appearance. Here you'll see choices for light, dark or device default. If you want the calendar to stay bright and easy to view, choose light. If you prefer a darker interface that may be easy on the eyes, especially at night, choose dark. And if you want Google Calendar to follow your computer system theme automatically, select Device Default. This changes the overall look and feel of Google Calendar, so it affects the interface style across the app. Keep in mind, this is different from changing the color of a specific calendar. If your goal is to make one calendar stand out from the rest, that's the next step. To change the color of a specific calendar, go back to the main Google Calendar view. On the left side, you'll see a section called My Calendars. Under that section, find the calendar you want to customize. Next to the calendar name, click the three dots icon. This opens a small menu with color options. From here, simply select your preferred color. As soon as you click it, Google Calendar will update that calendar's color immediately. This is a great way to visually separate work, personal, family, or project calendars, so you can scan your schedule much faster. If you want, you can repeat the same process for any other calendar listed under My Calendars. That means you can customize each one individually until your whole calendar setup looks exactly the way you want it. Just remember, there are two different changes here. One is the overall appearance in Settings under Appearance, and the other is the color of each calendar under My Calendars. So if you were looking to change the background look of Google Calendar, use the light, dark, or device default option. If you are looking to color code your calendars, use the three dots next to each calendar name. And that's it. You now know how to change Google Calendar background color and customize your calendars for a cleaner, more organized setup. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.